The family that plays together stays together. The other day I had gone to someone's place, and what I witnessed, what I saw was a brilliant experience, and I really liked it. Went to someone's home, and the father was playing with his son. Both of them were playing chess, and I saw the father enjoying the entire game, and the son was equally happy and was enjoying the entire process. And every time the father would probably lose, and instead of feeling that he lost in the entire process, he would tell his son, what, you are a champ at this, you are a champ. And I looked at the entire thing and I said, wow, the son and the father, they're playing together, and even if when the father is losing, he's celebrating, and which was a great sight, which is a rare sight to be seen today. As parents today, a lot of parents talk about, they tell me that they are not too happy with the habit of their kids spending a lot of time on their screens, and which I think is a growing concern for a lot of parents. Now, when I look back at that entire incident, I spoke to the father and I asked him that, is it a coincidence that, I came today and you guys are playing? And to which he gave me a reply, and I was very happy by the entire thing. He said, we have a ritual that just about every 2 or 3 days, every second or third day, we end up playing some game. And I said, wow, but how do you manage that? He said, if you can manage to eat, if you can manage to work, if you can manage to take bath, if you can manage to do other things, then this is a part of the mandatory process that I follow. And I was very happy by the entire thing. And he said, what? Now when we do this, our son is participating a lot more, he's opening up a lot more, and he shares everything, and we're like friends. And a lot of parents, I see that they have that gap and the distance with their kids, that hey, I'm your dad, hey, I'm your mom, we got to have that, but today, if you as parents, if you come across as friends to your kids, it is then they see you at the same level and they come out and they share more with you. I'm sure you remember that while we were growing up, while you were growing up, we used to play, वो सांप सीढ़ी आता था, एक ludo game आती थी, and we used to play all those games. We would go outdoors and we would play कच्चा पापड़ पक्का पापड़, and we would play hide and seek, छुपन छुपाई खेलते थे. That's missing today. And the families who are consciously playing with their kids, I see that their bond is much, much, much better. And how long does a game take? I see that family enjoying chess, I see other families playing ludo, I see other families playing different games. As a parent, if we can consciously include playing a game for a brief while with our kids, it definitely has a huge impact on the mind of the child, because the child feels, what, my parents have time for me, my parents, they appreciate me, my parents, they do things, they go out of their way and do things for me. This has a huge impact in the long run on a child. So all the parents, I think that we got to take a lesson here, that no matter what, if you can find time to sleep, if you can find time to eat, we must find time to play with our kids in their benefit. Thank you.